We'll guide you through how to use Voicemod Soundboard on Discord. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Open the Voicemod application on your computer, or if you don't have one, just go to any browser to your liking and search for Voicemod. Just open the first link, and if you are using it for the first time, it may ask you to sign in. Just sign in with your account and click on download for free. And for the sake of the video, I have already downloaded the application, so I'll just open it now. Once you are inside the Voicemod, go to the settings. In the settings, under input, make sure correct device is selected as the input device. Just click on drop down and choose your correct device. This step is important to ensure your voice and sound effects are captured properly. After that, just go to your search bar on your Windows and search for sounds. And after searching sounds, you will get a recommendation called as sound mixer option. Just open it. And from here, inside the input device, just click on the drop down and make sure voice mode is selected. And after selecting, open your Discord and click on the gear icon on your bottom left. And now in the menu on the left side, scroll down until you find voice and video. From here, click on the microphone. From here, just click on the drop down under microphone and make sure voice mode is selected, or you can just click on show more and just choose voice mode manually. And once you have selected voice mode, scroll down and turn off automatically adjust input sensitivity. You can also turn off voice isolation. These settings help prevent Discord from blocking your soundboard's effects. Once everything is set up, you are good to go. Just join a voice channel with a friend to test if the soundboard and voice effects are working correctly. Just join any call and go back to your voice mode and go to your sounds, and from here just play any of the available soundboard and it will be played in your Discord also. And that's it.